In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create smooth sliding text animation in DaVinci Resolve, step by step, using Fusion. This is a great technique for making your titles, lower thirds, and motion graphics look much more professional, polished, and cinematic. If you've ever wanted your text to slide in smoothly, letter by letter, with that high-end animated feel, this tutorial is going to walk you through everything. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're on the edit page or wherever your project is already set up. To begin the animation, click the Fusion icon on the page navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. Fusion is the main environment in DaVinci Resolve for building node-based motion graphics, text animation, and advanced visual effects. Once you're in Fusion, you'll see the Node Editor workspace, which is where we'll build the animation. Next, go to the toolbar and click the Text Plus icon, then drag it into the Node Editor workspace. Text Plus is the version of text that gives you much more control than basic text, especially when you want to animate individual letters. This is important because the follower modifier we're going to use only works properly with Text Plus. Now select the Text Plus node and in the Inspector panel, type your desired phrase into the text box. This could be a title, a name, a channel intro, or any text you want to animate. The moment you enter the text, DaVinci Resolve generates the text object that we can now style and animate. If you want, you can also adjust the font, size, spacing, and alignment at this stage, but for now, just make sure your text is in place. Once the text is entered, right-click inside the text input box and choose Follower from the contextual menu. The follower is the key tool that makes this animation work. It allows each character to animate independently, which is exactly what creates that smooth, staggered effect, instead of the whole word moving as one block. After adding the follower, navigate to the Modifiers tab at the top of the inspector, then select the Shading subtab. This is where the controls for things like position and opacity can be adjusted for the animated text elements. If you don't see everything immediately, just take a moment to expand the options and make sure you're working in the correct modifier section. Now we're going to set our first keyframes. Click the diamond keyframe icons next to opacity and position offset Y to establish the starting points for the animation. These first keyframes define the base state, meaning how the text looks before it begins moving onto the screen. Keyframes are what tell DaVinci Resolve when the animation starts and ends, so this is one of the most important steps. For the starting position, adjust the Y position to -0.3 and lower the opacity to 0. This makes the text begin slightly below its final position and completely invisible. That combination gives you a nice smooth entrance because the text won't just appear suddenly. Instead, it will rise up into place while fading in at the same time. Now move the playhead forward 10 frames. You can do this by dragging it along the timeline or using your keyboard if you prefer frame-by-frame movement. Once you're 10 frames ahead, return the opacity to 100 and set the Y offset back to 0. This creates the second part of the animation, where the text reaches its final position and becomes fully visible. At this point, you should already start to see the smooth motion taking shape. Now for the part that really makes the animation feel polished. Open the Timing tab, set the order to left to right, and increase the delay to 2.0. This is what staggers each letter so they don't all animate at the exact same time. Instead, each character slides in one after another in sequence, which creates a much more stylish and professional result. If you've ever seen a title animate in with a clean, flowing motion, this staggered timing is usually the reason it feels so good. At this point, the animation is working, but we can make it look even better by smoothing out the motion curve. Click the Spline button to open the Spline editor. In the Spline editor, select your text parameters and press Ctrl and A together to highlight all the points. This lets you edit the motion path and timing behavior more precisely. Then right-click in the graph area, choose Ease, and select the Out Cubic option. This creates a smooth ease out curve, which means the text will move quickly at the beginning and then slow down naturally as it reaches its final position. That easing style is what gives the animation a premium high-end feel, instead of looking stiff or mechanical. It's one of the easiest ways to make text animation look much more professional with just a few clicks. And that's the full process for creating smooth sliding text in DaVinci Resolve using Fusion. You now know how to set up the Text Plus node, add the follower modifier, animate opacity and position, stagger the letters, and smooth everything out with an ease out curve. Once you've done it once or twice, this workflow becomes very fast, and you can reuse it for intros, captions, titles, and all kinds of motion graphics. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.